Who's in the box? Oh, what's in the box?
Hey guys, welcome back to Jack on Tracks and another episode of What's in the Box. I know what's in this box, and I've been waiting for these. I need these so I can finish doing this module. This came all the way from Canada. You know, our northern most relatives. Alright, so let me get these out. Alright, what else did I get? That was it. That's the work order. Alright, so what I did order, because I wanted to see, was I ordered one piece of microengineering code 83, microengineering code 100. I just want to check it out. I can't get that stuff here. I got sticks, ties, because I'm out of them for HO, and I can't do anything without them. So here's these ties. These are pretty cool. These are laser cut ties, number 6, because that's what I built. I'm going to pop this off. And these sitting here are just like that. That is going to look tight. So these are the PC ties. Clip them out and do them. Alright, so that's really that. And here's the 2 pieces of rail. Nothing special about that. Just that they're microengineering. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm going to do a quick video on putting these onto these. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And as always, catch you later. Hey guys, welcome back to Jack on Tracks. As you saw in the what's in the box, I just got the 5 quick sticks in from Fast Tracks that I needed to put the ties down and get these turnouts done. I did a little testing earlier. The special walnut, red mahogany, and then up here is the red oak. When it was drying, the mahogany kind of looked better, but now that it's dried, the red oak looks closer to what I want. So here it is on the other side. Yeah, it's definitely closer. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to show you really quick on how to stain these. It's just it's pretty simple. I'm just taking sponge brush with the red oak, and I'm putting a wet coat on. Trying not to, I don't want to go too much onto the rest of the wood. I want it to try to keep it from warping if it's going to warp. So just letting it go in there. Hopefully it just soaks in nice. I'm going to let it sit in there for about 5 minutes. And then I'm going to wipe it off. That's basically about it. Just gonna let it soak on there for 5 minutes, and then we'll come back. Alright guys, so what I did was I wound up just coating both sides of these things. I put a couple of heavy coats on them. Well, one good heavy coat. And hope this is the color, because if it ain't, it ain't. It looks pretty good to me. So I wound up off camera, I wound up doing all of them. I let them sit for about 10 minutes with the stain still on it before I wiped it off. Here I am wiping it off after about 10 minutes. Some of them soaked in a little more than others, but that's wood. So in reality, railroad ties aren't all identical. I think I'm going to give these a wash of some India ink and maybe darken them up a little, but we'll I'm going to do that later on. I just want to get these done so they can dry for at least 3 or 4 hours. And then we'll start gluing these together. I did both sides because I don't feel like trying to figure out which is which. I need them for the whole thing. So, but yeah, I mean, as you can see, they don't really come out identical to each other, which is perfectly fine. So, once again, thanks for watching Jack on Tracks. Like and subscribe. We're slowly creeping up on 50. There will be a giveaway, that's for sure. And hit the like button. Really hit that button. It helps me out. And stay tuned. And as always, I will catch you later.